Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make Veganaise at home. So here we have the liquid from a can of chickpeas that's called aquafaba, and we're just cooking it down until we have about a half a cup left. So this is the liquid from one can of chickpeas. So we're just going to thicken that a little bit by cooking it down. We've got about a half a cup left now. Let's just measure it out. Perfect. And we're just going to let that cool, and we'll go on to the next step. All right, so now we're going to take 3 tablespoons of our thickened aquafaba, place that in a mixing bowl, and we're going to add to that 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and then we're going to beat that at high speed until we get a nice white, thick consistency. All right, now we're going to add to that a few more ingredients. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of coconut nectar. Now, if you don't have coconut nectar, you can use maple syrup, agave, or even sugar. And then finally, we're going to add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to beat that again until we get everything smooth. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a cup of oil. Now you can use any kind of oil, but I like something that doesn't have a strong flavor. I'm using sunflower oil because I can get it easily organic in the store. And we just want to add it a little bit at a time while we continue to beat at high speed until all of the oil is incorporated. And there we have our finished Veganaise. Be sure to be very careful to go very slowly when you're adding the oil. Add a little bit of oil, beat it up for a minute until it's all incorporated, then add some more and keep going. Just don't go too fast, or you can wind up with just a mess. So it'll just totally break down if you go too fast. So make sure and go nice and slow. So here we have our finished Veganaise, and it looks great and it tastes great. You can use it in spreads, in salads, dips, any way that you would normally use mayonnaise, and I think it tastes a lot better than mayonnaise for sure. Also be sure to pick up my new cookbook, Not Just Desserts, Vegan and Gluten-Free Cooking, available now on Amazon. So there's this recipe and lots of other recipes included as well. So try it yourself at home and enjoy.